Lists in Python. This is our set number 8, In this, we are going to look into what is list, right? And there is a program list, and the program list is coming up. And here is the program list. And in this, as you know, the theory part and the books and the other notes, they will tell you what is a list, what all is there. But right now, my focus is to show you with the help of a program. Therefore, I am not giving a detailed lecture on what is a list only via the notes. I am going to show you here in the program code what is a list, what it looks like, what it does, right? So, introduction to list. On the right hand side, I am showing you a small program, a little tiny program of 2 lines with the third line as a comment. R. I am going to call R a list. You know why? Because a list means a collection of elements. Collection of elements means it is not going to store only one value, but it is going to store multiple values. So R is a list which has got, I can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strings inside it. And the first string, so here I can tell you that the first element is located at R0. I will request you to go through the notes, whether in a book or in a matter or in a content, wherever you get it. You can read the content, you can see it in the website also. But what I am showing here is the execution of the simple programs that create kind of confusion. Okay. So here I can show you. I'm keeping this program list aside right now because my primary focus right now is to show you. So let me run this program and show you what you see. You will see that I have put how many elements in the list, and your answer is supposed to be 5. And the elements in the list are in positions numbered 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I show you the next print statement and if I show you a bunch of print statements here for you to see and sense, what do you think will the output come as like? Let me run it and show it to you. Then you will see the working and the output. See, the first element is R0 and it's printing Anita. The second element is R1, the third element is R2, R2 is printing Chandra, the fourth element is R3 printing Deepak, and the fifth element is R4 printing Eliza, right? So I will call R as a list. This is my introduction to a list. Then a list can store strings also and numbers also, and their combination of strings and numbers also. Okay, so coming up next is an example of the elements variety that can be stored in a list. Okay. All right, so here comes the extension of the first program. Now, can you tell me what you see? Can you see that I have introduced another list which is named E, and in that there are quite a few numbers are there. Can you see how many numbers are there? Can you count and tell me? You cannot tell me, you can count and verify. Are you getting total number of elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So, if I start from the first element to be, which is basically present in cell number 0, then the last element is one more than the previous. That means I am printing the fourth element, which is in the cell number 4 is the fifth element, sorry. The first element in cell number 0. This is how the rule goes. Like you cannot say I will print elements from 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 like that, because the first element is put in cell number 0, the next in cell number 1, next in cell number 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So here this is the content present in cell number 5. So I can do here is now I'm just showing you to identify how to understand what is in which cell number. So I will say the 6th element is E5. Okay, present in cell number E5. Now if I run it, what do you think you will come to see? Check the output. Are you satisfied with the output? Okay. Now coming up are more programs in which we are going to see various activities that can be done on the lists in Python. Okay.